In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually update iPhone apps. So there's a couple ways we can do this. So the first step is to go to our settings. And what we're going to do here is go to the search bar at the bottom and go ahead and tap in App Store. So go to your App Store. And under automatic downloads, you want to make sure that the app updates toggle is turned on. This is going to automatically update your apps. But if you want to go through and see what apps need to be updated, what we can do is let's come out of our settings here. And I'm just going to go back to the page here and come out of our settings. And you want to actually go and navigate to your App Store. So from here, go ahead and click your profile icon at the top right-hand corner. And you want to go to app updates. So this is going to show you all the updates that you have currently for your current apps. As you see, I have 2 here. So what you would want to do is go ahead and just hit update from this point. And this is going to show you all the apps that you currently need to update. But the issue is it doesn't get rid of temporary files or back cache, and that could actually hold space on your phone that you don't really need. So what we can do from there is come out of our App Store. Let's go back to our settings, and we're going to go down to General and then iPhone Storage. So let's go ahead and let's go pick, I don't know, let's use Instagram as this example here. What we can do is go ahead and offload the app, go ahead and offload, and we're going to reinstall the app. And what that's going to do is it's going to get rid of cache, it's going to get rid of temporary files, and as a bonus, it's going to force update the app itself. So if there's a new feature that you think that you may not have, you can do this, and this is going to force your phone to give you the newest updated version of that app on your phone. So once it reinstalls, the app is good to go. And that's it. Those are a couple ways to manually update your iPhone apps. That way you have the newest versions of those apps. And that's it.